What is up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Josh, catch 'em all fishing. I'm out here today with my buddy Chris, aka the Hitman, and we're out here at New Melones Lake. It is pretty windy, as you can see, but just a top water right now, and we'll catch some big boys. Stay tuned. I finally got on one, and he freaking, yeah! Just a little guy. They're about the same size. Probably thought it was brother. Ooh, and these fish are warm. They're warm. All right. Got me a damn largie. All right. Clean release. Get out of here. Little largie. Go ahead. Got one. Little guy. There we go.
What I'm talking about, baby.
Woo! All right, in the box.
Oh.
All right, got one. A little dinky. It's all good. It's all good. Okay, bro. I'm gonna get the net. Chris on a good one.
Good one.
Oh, that's a good spot. Yoo-hoo! Ho! Yeah, baby, the Hitman.
Hitman coming through. Oh, look at what he's spitting up.
Oh, and he's spitting out someone
else's net rig or Senko.
Nice, baby. Good
Coming
spot.
through.
The Hitman. Ooh, smells good.
Juicy, baby.
Woo! Yeah. Is this a good one? Ooh, this might be a net. This might be a net fish. Yep, net fish. Yep, that's a net fish. Oh yeah. Net.
Oh, come on, dude.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a net fish. Yeah. Oh. There we go. Woo! Nice, baby. Well, that's a chunk.
Yeah.
There we go.
Hell
Look at
yeah.
that chunk. Woo!
Go to scale.
Little spot. Chris on. Bring him in. Catch some dinks, but still catching fish in this wind. Here we go. Chris on. Still catching him on the Melones special. The Melones dancing. Woo! Oh, nice fish. Oh, that's a good boat. Melones special. Here we go, still doing it. Catching them all. Josh catch them all with Chris the Hitman. Josh snag them all. There we go. Just on it.
Good one?
Yeah, it seems like a good one. It's a largie. Oh yeah.
You need the net?
No. Little jerk bait bite going, largie. That's a heavier. Oh yeah. Chris on jerk bait fish. A little fatty, small fatty largie. Go. About 1 o'clock. Still catching fish. Hitman. Bass Hitman using cucumber. Cucumber avocado. Cinco.